Well, they've moved on to the second stage of the beach restoration project. Here we are in front of the A1 Hotel. Plenty of excavators, I should say, on the job. And lots of sandbags. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and they're hard at work. It looks like where they're going to be pumping sand in from out the middle of the bay. And as you can see, there are literally hundreds of boats out there waiting for the Chinese tourists. Work on the beach is expected to go on to the end of the year at least. Apparently they're taking it right down to Walking Street. We'll see if the money holds out. Meanwhile, you can check progress on my photo blog. Just Google 5-Star Vagabond. The full address is 5starvagabond.com. Bye for now.